All right, we rolling, Titus?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to make some hummus today. Video's probably not going to be that long. I think I'll make two kinds. I'll do the classic hummus, and I'll do a roasted red pepper hummus. And I'll put a link for the recipe down in the comments or the show notes or whatever you want to call them. All right, let's get started. So I got some chickpeas, or garbanzo beans as they're called. And we want to drain them out real good. All right, I'm back. So get your strainer. I had to go looking for it. I couldn't find it. There we go. Try not to lose any chickpeas. And start out, gonna pour it down in my little processor that I have. Nice little combination thing I have. See, I have the power unit. What I like about this power unit, it also comes with a boat motor for blending up soups and stuff. But it also attached to my little processor. All right, the first part is we want to run it just long enough to get the garbanzo beans. Probably not going to get powdery, but where they're mixed up pretty good. You want to come get a top shot of this, Titus? And while you're doing that, yeah, here we go. I got one of my little spatulas. That's a good shot. Like it. All right, I'm just going to bring down the sides and give it one more spin. One more spin. All right. Scrape down the sides. And this is the process to get it the smoothest. Now, you could always soak them and try to get some of the outside shells off of them, but that's a lot of work, a lot of extra steps that I don't think are necessary. So we got tahini. We're going to be using that. Oops, there we go. Tahini. Lemon juice. All right. We're going to have a little salt and a little garlic powder. I might put a couple of grinds of pepper in there, but it's not necessary if you don't like it. Let's start with the lemon juice. We want to do the lemon juice first because once you put the tahini in that tablespoon thing, it's stuck in there kind of like peanut butter. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're going to go back in here. We're at the bottom now, so it's going to get a little messy for my fingers. All right, 3 lemon juice and 1 2 tablespoons of tahini. You can take your little spatula and get the rest of it out right there. All right, we had 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of tahini. And tahini is a ground sesame paste. And we're going to do half a teaspoon salt in there. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, if you got fresh garlic, you can just mince down a whole clove or 2. Depends on how well you like garlic. All right, and we're going to get that blended in here. Now, the trick is to blend it for a long time. So we're going to do 2 minutes. I'm going to get started on that, and after the 2 minutes, we'll come back and show you the rest of the process. And we're back. We're at the 2-minute mark, so come on over here and check this out, Titus. So it's getting there. It's getting smooth. So at the 2-minute mark, see, it's a little bit stiff, but it's getting really smooth. All right, now we're going to do a little trick I learned as part of the recipe. I'm going to come over here and get us some ice. We're going to use about 3 or 4 pieces of ice. And we're just going to put it right in there. That'll help break it down. It'll help cool down the hummus in case it's getting heated up by the mixing. And it'll help smooth it out too as well. So we're going to go another 2 minutes and we'll be back. All right, we're at the next 2-minute mark. Let's take a look at it. it out.
Time to... Oh yeah, that looks super good.
It's looking pretty smooth, and then see, let's check it. Oh yeah, see when you smooth it around with the spatula? A lot of times people don't like it because, we're gonna move over here to the bowl. A lot of times people have a hard time with hummus because they want it as smooth as what the hummus is in the store. And sometimes it's hard to get it that smooth unless you burn up a processor, but I found that this process really works great. Grind the chickpeas and then add all the ingredients. And then grind it another 2 minutes and then add in your ice. And then it's about ready. Super smooth. Now, let's do one more thing. And then we'll move on and do a roasted red pepper sauce. Ezra! Would you try out our new hummus? We're back, and we're at the end of making another batch of hummus. Looking good. So, the only thing different about the roasted red pepper hummus and the classic regular hummus is roasted red pepper. So, you can buy your favorite ones from the store, or you can roast your own peppers to put in it. Alright, I'm going to get 2 good pieces out, stick them in there. And really, we just need to blend this in. I'm going to give it a couple of grinds of pepper. Kick up the taste a little bit. And we'll be back in another minute or 2 to show you what this looks like. Okay, our 2 minutes are up. Or, it was really only like a minute. We just needed to blend in the roasted red pepper sauce. Alright, let's take a look at it. How's that look, Titus? And that one's super smooth. Now, as you refrigerate this, it's going to get a little bit stiffer. So if you're worried about it being too loose, by the time you pull it out again, it's going to be great. All right, let's get this one off in our bowl. All right. Now you can always take your extra virgin olive oil and drizzle some across the top, but we're not really looking for them extra fat calories ourselves. So we're okay with the hummus just being straight like this. But if you got like a presentation or a party coming over for some snacks, you can always take a little extra virgin olive oil and drizzle around the top of it for the taste. All right, Tice, you want to get in there and try it out?
Oh yeah. Time to go for it.
Yeah, pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's amazing.
Ezra.
Yes.
Do you like hummus?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, try it out for us.
It's good. Really good.
All right, a couple good suggestions for making your own hummus. You could add in a few jalapenos and some cilantro. Towards the end stage where you're throwing the ice in it, you could throw in some roasted garlic, make some roasted garlic hummus. Just try out your own flavors that you like. But it'd be a really good hummus. And it's actually pretty quick. Tahini, you can get tahini at Publix, Kroger's, any other grocery store around you. Because by now, the grocery stores have really come up with carrying the good products for us. All right. That's all we have for today. Thank you.
Bye.